I'm going to walk you through how to split a video on your iPad. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. So you're going to go ahead and take the video you want to split, for instance this video. Then you're going to click at the top here where it says edit. Then here you can see this various option: video, adjust, filter, crop. Then now you cannot see any option which says you can go ahead and split your video, but here, right down here, you can go ahead and adjust. If I put it here, this area will not be showing, it will just be removed completely from my video if I go ahead and save this video. So if you want to split your video, you're going to go ahead and use an external application. So you're just going to go ahead and head forward into your app store. You're going to search for this app right here, CapCut. Once you download it, you're going to go ahead and open it, and this is going to be your interface. You can click right here where it says new project. Then you're going to go ahead and select the video you would like to add to your CapCut. So once the video is in your CapCut, you can see I have the video right here. So if you want to split this video, you're going to go ahead and click on the video clip, and then right here at the bottom left here, you're going to see split. So once you click on split, it's going to go ahead and split the video. You can see we now have two clips. So that's actually how you can split your video. If I want to delete this part, I just split. I'll go ahead and click on delete. Then the only part remaining is this. Then I can go ahead and export now my video into my gallery.